Hi everyone, just going to give a quick video of removing the insulation out of the car today. Um, it won't be too long, it is a very hot day today, so I'll just go over a few things and yeah, hopefully we get a bit more progress again today. Thanks all. All right, that's all the insulation cleaned out. As you can see, sadly, it did end up damaging the fuel tank. It obviously got wet, as someone in the comments did suggest. I forget who, sorry. So it'll probably be a new tank replacement. I don't think it's worth, safety-wise, just repairing it, but I'll look into it. I can now see down into the rest of the chassis down here. So I am getting closer to being able to pull the body off, I believe. I did clean out the inside here, as you saw. I got through most of what I could in both sides. There is some more stuff crammed up the front. I'm guessing I can get that out once I get the body off, but hopefully I've gotten most of it out. The smell is a lot better now. I don't smell much mousy smell, but I'm getting used to it. Next steps, which I'll do another day, will be to remove the old ECU. Hopefully it's worth something. It'll pay for some extra costs in the car. Remove this back firewall that we put in years ago, and then see where we go from there. All right. Thanks so much, everyone. Just a quick one, because it's about to hit 32 degrees and I'm getting rather sweaty here. Thanks a lot. See you all.